Well, first up, on day 2 of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Poland visit, the focus has shifted to the bilateral relationship between New Delhi and Warsaw. After a ceremonial welcome at the Chancellery, Prime Minister Modi met his counterpart Donald Tusk for talks. Prime Minister Tusk cited the big focus on cooperation in defence and trade, besides an array of mutual possibilities. Poland has spoken of a readiness to take part in India's defence modernisation. Prime Minister Modi also spoke of Poland's support for India as it assumes presidency of the European Union in January next year. He also reiterated India's concerns on the conflict in Ukraine and West Asia. Prime Minister Modi will also hold talks with the Polish president as well.
इस वर्ष हमने अपने राजनयिक संबंधों की 70वीं वर्षगांठ मना रहे हैं। इस अवसर पर हमने संबंधों को स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप में परिवर्तित करने का निर्णय लिया है। भारत और पोलैंड के संबंध डेमोक्रेसी और रूल ऑफ लॉ जैसी साझा मूल्यों पर आधारित है।
On Wednesday evening, soon after his arrival in Warsaw, Prime Minister Modi met members of the Indian community in Poland.
नमस्कार।
He reiterated his no time for war message, affirming India's commitment to regional peace and emphasizing the importance of dialogue and diplomacy. There was also mention of Operation Ganga, the evacuation of Indian citizens from Ukraine via Poland, and India keeping a neutral stance towards both parties in the Russia-Ukraine war.
दशकों तक भारत की नीति थी कि सारे देशों से समान दूरी बनाए रखो। आज के भारत की नीति है सारे देशों से समान रूप से नजदीकी बनाओ।
Now, late on Thursday, Prime Minister Modi will board Train Force One, the luxury Polish train, for a 10-hour journey that will take him to Kyiv for a landmark visit. The visit, coinciding with Ukraine's national flag day, marks a historic first for the Indian Prime Minister, coming as it does in the backdrop of the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.